Hey you all, so people have been asking me how in the world I get these animated characters to talk. I'm going to show you how we can do this in Kling AI. So what you would want to do is first you make your video. So over here on the left hand side you have these options. You have the option of text to video where you're just putting in the words and telling Kling what you want it to generate. Then you have the option of image to video. Kling actually allows us to add up to 4 images that can be within our video along with a text prompt to generate the video. So once you've generated your video, you will have the option of lip sync, and you'll find it down here where the video, under the specific video that you choose, right? So here I'm going to click on lip sync, and here we can type in what we want our character to say. All right, so here we then can choose our voices. So I'm going to press play. It's already on one voice that's named Sunny.
Let's unlock the secret to prompting in ChatGPT. Make sure you like, favorite, and follow.
We can also change their emotion. So I can say I want her to be happy, and we can play.
Let's unlock the secret to prompting in ChatGPT. Make sure you like, favorite, and follow.
Now, I really like that. You do have a lot of different options here. You have male, female, boy, girl, different professions and things like that. And of course, you can change the mood. Now, I just want to show you all how quickly we can do this. So over here on the left-hand side, I'm just going to click generate. It's only 5 credits, which is not much if you have a paid plan on Kling. Then I'm going to play it to make sure.
Let's unlock the secret to prompting in ChatGPT. Make sure you like, favorite.
All right, so here it cut off. So what I'm going to do is change the speed. I'm going to make it quicker so that it includes more of the actual script that I created. And then I'm clicking on generate.
Secret to prompting in. Let's unlock the secret to prompting in ChatGPT. Make sure you like, favorite, and follow. Let's unlock the secret to prompting in ChatGPT. Make sure you like, favorite, and follow.
And here I can actually change the speed of her talking. I got it in one try. I got all the text and stuff into one video. So that is simply how you do things in Kling to get these characters to talk. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thank you all so much for being engaged and interested. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.
Anything but the independent route is the herb route. You know what I'm saying? Like as a businessman.